I think when we talk about technology, it's a completely different landscape than any other sector, the conventional sectors. Technology really is something that does not work with the conventional way of thinking an investor thinks. When we took a stake in 500 startups, for us, global reach was very important. And 500 startups is in basically every continent. They have more than 18 offices globally. 500 Startups is basically a seed/venture capital platform. And when we're looking at this kind of business, those issues that you mentioned are not really apparent. I don't think this is going to affect the tech sector or our investment in 500 startups.
When you look at the Silicon Valley picture a bit more broadly, they've been under a lot of pressure, whether it be Mark Zuckerberg over at Facebook, whether it be the Me Too movement. How much influence has your stake in 500 Startups really bought you in terms of the running of that company?
You know, for us, 500 Startups is really a partnership. So we've known the team for a while, the 500 Startups team. We've known them for a while. We've worked with them in the past. We have been investors with them in the past. For us, rather than influence and control, I think it's more of a partnership and synergies, especially that we as ADFG have our own technology platform, as you know, which does incubation, which also does in-house technology development and so forth.
And Jassim, over at 500 Startups, of course, the company really became in some ways a poster child of the problem of sexual harassment allegations in the VC world in Silicon Valley. Do you think with the leadership changes underway here, that is in the past? And do you think more broadly speaking, when you look at the culture in tech globally, that things are changing?
I think, you know, when we talk about 500 Startups, Christine Tsai is really a great leader for that firm. She is a very important figure, in my opinion, in the VC world. She's done a great job. She's a co-founder of 500 Startups. I think 500 Startups is in a new phase of its life, and I think any problems that it had in the past are cleared.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.